What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach Coco and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and everything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today I'm going to show you some drills that you can do with somebody else, maybe a friend or family member. That way you can start practicing your passing before tryouts happen. Now, for this video, I did something a little bit different. I have some beginner steps and then I leveled up a little bit to intermediate steps. So if you're at that intermediate range, you can look at the level up so that way you can still get some practice for your tryout. Let's get right into it. So I'm not gonna lie to you, when I went out to this tryout, this was my first time actually going outside and playing volleyball in the heat. And as you guys know, I am not very heat inclined and it was very tough for me. So I made sure to bring water with me, and that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a water bottle and you're gonna need a volleyball. And I took my new volleyball outside because I wanted to try it out and see how it did outside. So let's go outside. For this first drill, we're working on ball control. So you're gonna have somebody toss the ball to you shaped like a rainbow. That means a high toss. And what you're gonna try to do is pass it to yourself, making sure you have good form and catching it and giving the ball back. This drill will really help you if you're having some issues with your platform or you're having some issues learning how to control your pass. So make sure you take some time to make sure that platform is flat, that your body is in the right form, that you're passing at the right angle, so that way you can catch it. Which is the down ball. Now, not a lot of partners who don't have any volleyball experience know how to do a down ball, so you want to direct them to hit it in a downward motion towards your platform. So your main job is to be able to absorb that pass and get it back to your partner without flailing your arms. A lot of you guys stand up so quickly and you try to raise your body up or you pop up a little bit when you're passing a down ball. Try to focus on staying grounded and using your platform and sticking to that angle to get it back to the target. Now you see some of it when I'm looking a little funky. That's because I'm a little rusty, but I want you to stick that angle so that way you get it back to your partner, but you're also really strong in your dig. Did you like this video? I really hope that you like this video, and it's something that can really help you learn how to pass better before your tryouts. Now I know that it's that time of year when we start focusing on our tryouts, and that's what we really are focused on. So I want to make sure to give you content that you can use when you go outside to play and when you're practicing before your tryout. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with somebody who needs it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.